Will Alban fall asleep? No, there's no way. I literally drank coffee. There's no way I fall asleep. It's literally impossible. 1, 2, 3, 4. Akasupas. Aka Supa. Red. Red. God. Come on. I'm not getting sleepy at all. I promise. No, dude, I just drank coffee. Why is my coffee not working? What the fuck? Oh no, this is gonna make me fall asleep. Fuck. We gotta do hard. We gotta do hard. We're not babies. We do hard mode in here. Wait, what the fuck? Wait. Wait. Wait, what? There's no way. There's no way. What? Wait, that wasn't it. That was like 20 seconds. Wait, that was like 10 seconds. Bullshit. My clock didn't even move at all. That's bullshit. That was like 10 seconds. I don't believe it. It's been an hour? Bullshit. That was like 1 second. That was 10 seconds. That was literally seconds. I was counting. I was counting. That was 10 seconds. I like this. Oh, I don't snore. That's how I know you guys are lying. I don't snore when I sleep, actually. Just wait for the clips? What clips? I literally stopped for like 10 seconds. There's nothing.
Oyasumi.